If you're experiencing camera issues on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, such as camera failure, dark or black screen, or blurry grainy pictures or videos, we've got solutions for you. First, try force closing the camera app and reopening it. If that doesn't work, check if you have any lens covers or misaligned screen protectors on your device. Remove them, as they might be obstructing the camera lenses. Ensure both your front and back camera lenses are clean. If the issue persists, try switching between the front and back cameras within the camera app. If the problem continues, you can reset the camera app by pressing and holding on the camera app icon, tapping on the information icon, and clearing the cache and data. This will reset your camera settings. Alternatively, you can reset camera settings from the device settings menu. If you're using third-party camera apps, consider uninstalling them, especially if you're experiencing grainy or overexposed videos. In the device settings, under Intelligent Optimization, turn on Scene Optimizer for better photo quality. Additionally, ensure your device is up to date with the latest software updates, as they often include bug fixes and camera improvements. Following these steps should resolve most camera issues on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If the problem persists, it might indicate a hardware issue, and you may need to contact support for further assistance. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.